In front of me is ACER Iconia A10, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Like for example, this one. Click on this icon to switch off or on key borders, and when you finished, select Apply. If you want to customize your keyboard instead, use the same icon of a color palette, and this time click on this plus under My Themes. Now tap on a photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done, manage key borders, and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!